many swing outs do you think you're going to have this Tuesday?
I won't brag, but probably 1,000.
Put your hand down. You're smiling.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Why are you smiling?
Because I like dance. Dance is fun.
Fun, sir. Dance is fun?
Yes.
You sure?
I think.
First you're smiling, then you're thinking. Go on, think. You still think swing dance is fun?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. No, sir.
No?
It was fun.
Not anymore, though, is it?
Not right now.
Not even a little bit? Make up your mind. Think since you're thinking. Go on, think. Is it fun?
No, sir.
No? Absolutely not?
Zero fun, sir.
Alright, listen up. I'm Coach Robert. I'm going to show you how much fun we're going to have this Tuesday at 8 o'clock at our next swing dance lesson.
Beat is getting stronger. Beat is getting longer too.